everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be putting in a flower bed around this tree up here. I'm going to take y'all along with me. So come on, let's get to it. So, I already put a bunch of mulch around the bottom of this. It has a bunch of roots and stuff that stick up around the base of this, and it's hard to cut around it, so I decided to put some mulch down there. Since I put that mulch down there, I put some soil up here the other day, and it just got me to thinking that, man, it would be nice to have some flowers up here. So I'm gonna put some flowers up around here and see how it looks. I think it's gonna turn out pretty good. I got two trees down back here that I'm probably gonna do the same thing with. I'm up in the front of the house, so if you hear a bunch of cars going back and forth, sorry about that. I'll try to cut it out as much as possible. But yeah, I'm gonna get this. I got some more soil back here that I'm gonna put down out here. I'm only gonna kind of do this front part, and not so much on the back part, and just see how it goes. So yeah, I'm gonna get this dirt put out, and then, or the soil put out, and then see what we want to plant in there. All right, I think this is going to be just about the easiest way to make a little flower bed here. Just going to go right there and plant right into it. So let's go to the greenhouse and get some flowers that I want to put out here. All right, well, I think I'm going to put one sweet alyssum up there. I'm not going to put any snapdragons. I'm gonna put these morning glories up there, and maybe a couple of those cosmos. I'm not gonna put bachelor button up there. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put some nasturtiums up there. And oh yeah, I got some marigold seeds. Put some marigolds up there. I'm gonna put all three of these up there. It might get a little crowded, but we'll see. Something gotta win. All right, I'm gonna load this stuff up, and then we're gonna head back out to the front. All right, we are back. So I think I'm gonna do two sweet alyssum. One there and one there. And then my two nasturtiums are gonna be on the ends so they can spread out. And this morning glory is gonna spread out as well. I got two of them right there. So I'm gonna try to train one to go one way and one to go the other way. And let me do a couple of these cosmos up here. In between, I'll do, let's see, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do 4 cosmos. 1, 2, 3, And one more. Like that. I like that. All right, well, let me get these in the ground. I'm gonna put the sweet alyssum a little bit further out front because it's gonna get a little bushy, you know. And then hopefully it'll spill down here a little bit. I got those two morning glories in the back, so they can wrap around the tree a little bit. Nice. Sweet alyssum down a little bit. All right, I like that. I'm gonna take some of this mulch off the backside. Let that truck go by. I'm gonna take some of this mulch off the backside and mulch this in a little bit. I think she'll be done. Oh, shoot, you know what? I wanted to plant a marigold or two. Let me plant some marigolds. I don't know. Maybe, I'm just gonna put some down here in the front. So that marigolds, I might go the whole way with marigolds. Because they'll be low to the ground too. Yeah, let me go all the way to that other side. I'm gonna put some zinnias. I got these from one of the followers in my Facebook group. So I'm gonna put some zinnias on that side and some zinnias on this side. All right. And I'm gonna put 2 sunflowers up there. I'm gonna put them in the back. I know I said 2, but I'm gonna put one in between each of these. I'm gonna plant 2. Hopefully I get germination. I'm gonna put 2 over there on that other side. All right, there you have it. Easy, easy peasy. A little flower bed around the trunk of this tree. Let me get back off of it so you can see what I'm working with. So this whole front side right here should be covered in flowers. So yeah, back here, I'm also going to do the same thing around these trees, except right here in the middle, I'm actually gonna join it together as well. So I'm gonna put mulch all the way across there and around both of these trees and make a flower bed up there as well. I think it's gonna look pretty cool. All right, well, that's what we got today. Quick and easy flower bed around the base of a tree. Something that I think will make good curb appeal and whatnot. So I've always wanted to put some more flowers up here. I have roses back here and tulips and stuff like that, but I never had any flowers and whatnot out here by these trees. So yeah, quick and easy. You know, if you got a little bit of space around your trees or whatnot and you want to make a little flower bed, you don't got to do nothing fancy. Just throw you some mulch down there. That'll keep the weeds at bay. I got a real thick layer of mulch, probably about a foot of mulch right there. But that'll keep the weeds at bay. And then just put some soil down there and plant into it. That's all you got to do. All right, I thank you for hanging in there with me. Make sure you do all the YouTube stuff. Check out my affiliate links, and I'll see you in the next video.